In this video, I want to show you how to remove the green background from your sub and notification bell in CapCut PC. So let's open CapCut. Here in CapCut, I have my video here. Let me add the video to the timeline. So here I have this video. Let me play it for you to see. Here is my video, and if I want to add a notification bell or subscription bell to this very video, so how do I do that? So I have it here. Let me just add it by clicking and dragging it here. Yes, I have it, but there is a problem. The problem is that the green background is covering my video, so such that if I play it, you can see even though notification and subscription bell is showing, but the green background is covering my video. So for us to remove this background, this is what we need to do. So click to select that very notification and subscription bell. So as you highlight it, come here, come to cut out. Click on cut out, then check this chroma key. Once you check it, it will bring this color picker. So pick the color picker and come to the screen here and click to select it. Then it will bring the strength and the shadow. So what you need to do is to increase it. You know, if you look at it, as I'm increasing it, the green is fading. So increase it, let's say to 30. So if I now come back and play the video, you can see that the green background has been removed. You can see it. So to remove it is quite simple. Just click on it, then come to cut out, check the chroma, then pick the color picker, click on it and increase or decrease the strength. If I decrease the strength, the green will show. If I increase the strength, it will fade away, such that you have only your notification bell without the green background. Thank you for watching.